Good day, friends. My name is Venkat. I'm a founder director at MyCFO. I'm very pleased to be addressing a segment that is very close to my heart, which is all of you CA articles who are now training to become professional chartered accountants. The objective of this communication is to explain to you the opportunities that will be available to you once you have finished your CA course, and how you should be thinking about taking a decision on which firm you want to do your articleship from. Most CAs after qualification tend to choose one of the two paths. Some of you will want to stay on in the profession, which is to either join a big four or maybe a large or a medium or a small size practicing chartered accountant, where you will be specializing in maybe audit, maybe taxation, maybe accounting work, certification work, mergers and amalgamations. This is what we call as the attest or the professional services side of the career opportunity. Some of you will want to join the industry, where you may join a large, mid or a small side corporate, where you will actually join the finance and the accounts teams of these companies and work with the CEOs, work with other department heads to see how finance and accounts can be a department, a partner department to helping these companies to achieve their business goals. If you are deciding to go down the professional route, the goal that you should be setting for yourself is to eventually become the partner of the firm in which you're going to be joining. If you decide to join the industry, your goal should be to become the CFO or the CEO of the company that you're going to join. What I want to talk to you a little bit about is the second option, which is what does it take to become the CFO of a company, and how MyCFO may be able to help you in this regard. MyCFO works very closely with two chartered accountancy firms. One is AP Doshi and Company, and the other one is Kaveri Venkatraman and Associates, both of which are based in Mumbai. What we do with these firms is for the articles to join these firms, who are then deputed full-time for work on MyCFO clients. What we do at MyCFO is to really act as an outsourced CFO for companies who either cannot or do not want to hire a full-time CFO on their roles. MyCFO is currently a 130-man team spread across 7 cities in India. We are India's largest and fastest growing CFO services company. Articles who are currently working on MyCFO mandates have an opportunity of not just doing accounting and taxation work, but to practically see situations that come in the life of a CFO or a controller in a real life finance and account situation. If you are in a CA firm, what you tend to get focused on more is the compliance side, the research side of things. So if technical research is what is of interest to you, if you really want to kind of go in depth into specific tax provisions, if you get a lot of joy in auditing or checking other people's work, then probably going down the CA firm route, the professional services route, is what is good for you. If, on the other hand, you don't want to get into theoretical research, but you want to get into application of that research, then probably you want to be a CFO eventually in your career, and it may be a good opportunity for you to think about joining MyCFO, because that's the experience that we provide to you grounds up from day one. All the articles who work with MyCFO, or rather all the articles who work on MyCFO mandates, there are probably 20 of them, all of these people are playing the role of a controller or of a finance manager on our mandates. And what this does is to give them a phenomenal exposure in terms of learning. And this could be account supervision, it could be creation of MIS, it could be helping in preparation of budgets, it could be assisting in ERP implementations like an SAP, Oracle. It may be assisting in business process improvements. It could be assistance in negotiating loans from banks. It could be creation of information memoranda. It could be helping raise private equity money. All of these things are what CFOs do day in and day out on a practical basis. So if this practical exposure excites you, you think that you want to eventually be a CFO in your life, if you're pretty clear that industry and not professional services is where you want to make your career, then do get in touch with us at MyCFO. Please write in. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.